Welcome back to the 30-Day Meditation Challenge. My name is Olivia, and I'm happy that you're here for day 2. Today, the intention of this meditation is gratitude. Let's get started. Take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. Sit with your back straight but relaxed. Your hands resting gently on your knees or in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to soften with each breath. Take another deep breath in, hold, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let yourself arrive fully in this moment. Now gently bring your awareness to your heart. Feel its rhythm, steady and constant. With each inhale, invite a sense of warmth. And with each exhale, allow any tension to melt away. Think of something or someone in your life you are grateful for. It could be a person, a place, a moment, or simply the breath you are taking right now. Let that feeling of gratitude fill your heart. Let it grow with each inhale and expand with each exhale. If your mind starts to wander, that's okay. Gently guide your focus back to your breath and this feeling of gratitude. Notice how the gratitude feels in your body. Perhaps a warmth in your chest, a softness in your face, or a lightness in your heart. Take a moment to silently say thank you for this moment, for this breath, for simply being here. Let each breath deepen your connection to this gratitude. Let it flow through you, grounding you in the present. When you feel you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the air against your skin, the sounds around you, the support of the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the energy returning to your body. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Take a final deep breath in. Hold for 1 second and exhale completely. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow.